what is your most unusual or crazy story diagnosis you've come across?
Well, there was one case. This one is very interesting because bladder full of urine, but she cannot urinate, and she starts to have some psychotic behavior.
At that age, a bone marrow transplant is, I mean, the risk of something like that is pretty high too, right?
Yes, but at the same time, they are the best candidates. They could potentially cure the disease.
Is there something that maybe we didn't talk about that maybe you wanted to mention while we're talking here?
I think, for example, genetic counseling, it's a very interesting point. For example, we know that a lot of patients, they want to have babies, but they are afraid of the passing the gene on.
Because I feel like there's an elephant in the room when it comes to doctors and porphyria and rare disease in general. And I talk to a lot of patients who have experience with doctors and say they're not willing to learn this because there's not a whole lot of patients who have it, or whatever the case may be. What made you want to jump into porphyria specifically?